Hey there, I'm Jimmy Turner, and welcome to my channel, Taking Trades. This channel is all about day trading, and the primary goal here at Taking Trades is to provide new day traders with some insight into being able to see live trades without having to pay for a subscription or signing up for any courses. So thanks for stopping in. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. I would love to have you subscribe as well. So today is December 31st, 2018, wrapping up the year. I decided to come in, take a trade, see what happens. Volume was light today, I know, so I thought I would just kind of be careful, keep tight stops, and just sort of see where things would go. So what I ended up doing today was missing a lot of opportunities, which is very unfortunate. I saw 4 or 5 that would have probably been great, but I missed all of them. So instead, I ended up coming across a trade on AMD today. And what happened was I saw it push down, then it pulled back into the 9 moving average, and it looked like it was going to roll over. I thought, perfect, I'm going to take the entry. I did. And then it just sort of stalled. You know that feeling of I bought, I'm waiting, nothing's happening, and then finally it started to roll a little bit, and then it just sort of bottomed like it had a floor. It held. Finally I jumped out. I had a profit of $10.20 today. So I'm super excited and very proud of those $10. I didn't take any other trades after that. It was getting late in the morning. It's about 9:30, 9:40, and I just decided to wrap things up. So what I want to do here is I've got the trade recorded, so I'm going to go ahead and post that live trade so that you can see that, and then sort of just explain what I saw, what I was trying to do. And the clip's not very long, so you don't have to watch a long lead up to it. So I'll keep it short and sweet. Thanks for stopping in. Again, give me a like, subscribe if you like it, and my hope is to come back with more content each trading day. The end of the year video for me is sort of a way of holding myself accountable for the new year. I want to start taking trades into 2019 and just really double down on great content, good consistency, and becoming less awkward on camera. Those are all my goals. And if I can get there, I think we could do some great things and we could share a lot of knowledge. So I really appreciate comments, good, bad, whatever. My goal is to really respond to all of them and to interact with you guys so that hopefully I can share some information and maybe we can all learn a few things. So thanks for stopping in, and here's the trade. Okay, so here's the clip. I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. And before I do hit play, I just want to explain, you can see that this drop started to happen, right? It pushes down, then I got this first candle pullback, and what I like to wait for is a second candle pullback to take place with a higher high. So I got a higher high here, a second higher high, and then I'm looking for a lower high in a candle that's going to start to turn red. And then from there is where I typically like to take an entry to the short side. So when I hit play, you'll see this candle turns red. I'm still watching it. I've got my low here. I'm waiting for a lower, I've got my high here, sorry. I've got a lower high that I'm looking for next in this candle, which I'm going to get. So I'm just watching to make sure that it's not going to push or squeeze back up. And when I'm feeling sort of confident that there's a little selling pressure on it, I'll see it's going red. I'll put in a 1,000 share order to go short. And then you can see, like I was saying, it's just kind of holding. It wasn't really doing anything for a second. And then it gave me a quick push, which hindsight, I should have probably taken the profit here as you see this push happen. But I was looking for trying to go for 10 to 15 cents profit per share is what my target was. And my stop was going to be at the high of this candle, which would have been right at the $18 mark, which was nice because a little psychological resistance at the whole dollar amount. So you'll see this candle push down, and it was sort of setting up a support point. You could see this support right here, and then it's going to bust, kind of pop down, and right there, you know, obviously hindsight, I probably should have sold it as it pushes down here. But I thought, great, we're kind of moving. I'm going to look for my 10 cents, which would have been 17.86, and then it just stalled out. And I know that volume was lighter today, and I was just being really careful with it. But you can see it starting to come back on me, and I'm thinking, oh man, I'm just going to jump out. So I thought I'd get $20, but you know, putting out a market buy, ended up closing the day up $10, 20 cents, and we'll come back at it at the beginning of the new year. So have a great new year. Any questions, comments, please leave them below. Subscribe if you like the content. Give me a thumbs up. This is my first video ever, so I'm super pumped about it. And I will be back on January 2nd, where we'll go through more live trades, sharing information, hopefully learn something. Thanks so much.